Now we're heading down the open highway, and the guns are going my way. Everything is just so peachy. Hi, Goofy.
Howdy. Beautiful day for a picnic.
Yup, we're off to the park.
See you all there.
Nothing can stop us now. I don't know how. We could have any trouble.
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive? Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Welcome aboard! We're ready for a relaxing ride around the train. Hey, Mickey and Minnie! Gosh, bear with me! What could possibly go wrong?
Oh no! I must have hit that track switch! Goofy, wait! This is all my fault!
and thanks for riding around the park with me. Now, how do you stop these things? I'll just check plans. What the heck, picnickers? Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I knew somehow that we would finally make it. We had one crazy ride. But with you by my side, this stars will be our guide, and nothing can stop us now. The stars will be our guide, and nothing can stop us.
Gosh, what's this like?